Good evening and welcome to the channel. Hope you're doing very well. I just wanted to introduce this video, which is essentially like a highlights reel for what I've done on this channel this year, all of which I'm very proud of, all of which has cost me quite a lot of money, but we'll get onto that in a minute. Quite a few milestones for the channel this year, and myself to be fair as well. We managed to hit 10,000 subscribers, which we've now blown out of the water. I think we're at 12 and a bit thousand as we stand. We just came shy of 1 million views on the channel as well this year, which is wild for me. I mean, I know I said this last year as well, but I know some people get that on a single video, but for me that's quite an achievement regardless. I think the best performing video out of the lot was my first ride on the 1390 Superduke R Evo. Obviously still got the KTM Super Adventure, which has hit 52,000 miles now, I think it is. That thing has been fantastic and continues to be fantastic, and that is not going anywhere anytime soon. We obviously managed to buy the Ducati this year, my 1995 Ducati 916. It is very 1990s Italian in that it just decides when it wants to work and when it wants to just randomly fail. So I'm getting the full authentic Italian experience with that, which is quite nice in ways, I guess. Then also we obviously bought Keith the K-Truck, this thing here. That's not the actual K-Truck, that's just a 3D print of one. The 1990 Suzuki Carry K-Truck, which is the Japanese imported pickup truck, 4-wheel drive with diff locks, don't you know? And then obviously there is the monkey bike, which is still currently sat in my kitchen downstairs. If you want to know what's going on with that, you're going to have to wait until the end of the video where there's a small hint, just somewhere placed in the video, I don't know. You might be able to guess what's going on with it. And then another personal milestone, which is actually the most expensive of the lot, is I'm currently standing in my own house. It needs a lot of renovation work, but it's my own house. Well, mine and Emma's. I probably should throw Emma in there as well. Which is a massive thing for me, which has cost me an arm and a leg. We're renovating the whole thing, we're learning loads of new things and how to do stuff, how not to do stuff, and why you should probably pay someone that knows what they're doing to do some stuff. 2025 for me is going to be a little bit more of a learning and developing kind of year for me, I think. In the last couple of months I've bought myself this, which is a 3D scanner, to pair that with this thing, which is a 3D printer, and I'm really enjoying sort of developing and learning new skills with how to do stuff with that and how to make 3D prints. And there's going to be a few bits that I'm going to make for, say, the Super Adventure, a few bike bits and whatever that will eventually, whenever I've perfected them, be available to you guys to, if you want to get one of them for yourself. And then I also want to tag that thing with, like, I want to teach myself how to weld and things like that. So I'm going to try and get a load of those kinds of things in this year, because I've spent a metric shit ton of money in this last year and my wallet needs a bit of a rest. Just a little bit of a rest. Not too much of a rest, but just a bit of a rest. And my final thing before I get onto this video is I want to thank each and every one of you for watching, liking, subscribing, people that comment every single week. It really helps all the algorithm and helps push this channel even further. And a massive thank you to all of the names currently going down this screen. These guys and girls are my Patreons. They are the absolute heroes that keep this channel going. I don't claim to have the time to give these people a lot back for their hard-earned money. I try to give them some early release videos, try to give them some exclusive content if I can, but these people continue to give their hard-earned money every single month. So I thank you so much for that. You all know who you are. Saw a couple of you last week for the first Christmas do, which will be on screen somewhere. A lovely picture of Mark from Leeds there, Mark Anal. And I will see another bunch of you this weekend come in for the second Christmas meal. Without further ado, Moz, you're going to hate this because it's whiskey, but cheers to 2024. Thank you for joining me for 2024, and here's to 2025, where we will continue to be morons, not wheelie or speed or anything on bikes, and just giggle until we annoy people and people tell us that we're unnecessary. That's what I'm here for. Hence the orange jumper. Have a lovely Christmas and festive period. Happy holidays, and here is to 2025. Now, watch 15 minutes of me giggling and telling you how much I love KTMs and monkey bikes. There's quite a lot of monkey bike content, so yeah, enjoy that. Bye. Right, I'm going to do an intro.
Who's an intro?
Morning, Da.
Morning, Da. You're not allowed to moan because you know exactly what you were signing yourself up for.
This is the problem. I've gone, oh, you've done it to yourself. He does off-roading though.
You got to stop telling people you don't do off-road.
Why?
Because you've done more off-road on that bike than most people have done on any bike.
They do love sheep round here, don't they?
I think they really love sheep in Wales, like really love sheep.
Oh, these bikes are so good.
Jesus! Car bike, yes!
I'm actually stuck here. I might need a hand.
I made a vital mistake. This is horrendously difficult right
I need
now.
a hand. Oh, I took off.
Fully GS ready.
Yeah, the old GS did not do that. Then there's a police car there. Oops. Yeah, this is what I wanted the GS to be. The designated speed is a limit and not a target. Position 3. I just heard you bouncing off the limiter. Oh, I've got a little bit too fast. I'm going to have to slow down. I probably should check where you are behind me before I do that. I've got a new way of blurring my speedo. Please.
Absolutely fantastic.
This is just, I was going to say, this is so good. Taking 2 cars. Yes!
Behind you, you better move.
No, I haven't got enough power. I'm still on the wrong side of the road. I'm still on the wrong side of the road. Come on, girl.
Well, you got a club or something, or what?
No, we're just 2 idiots. Oh my god. Oh!
245-ish is a beautiful
245.
view with your arsehole.
I'm gonna recreate my own picture. Tell me that's not the coolest picture you've seen in your life. That's so cool.
Fucking hell, Sam.
I'm gonna try it. Sometimes I wish I had more brain cells.
Keep revs up, keep revs up, keep revs up.
Yes! I have 1 bar of fuel. This is not good. Joe's just found rally mode. It is so good. It's so much. Oh my god! It's got stupid power! Oh my! There's a little jump here. Bloody Nora! Look like my organs have just left my body. I'm actually well chuffed about this. Finally hit 10,000 subscribers! Yay! Well done, Sam! Yay! Happy days!
I have just got myself my first press bike from KTM. Nearly 2,000 miles in the UK on a brand new KTM Super Duke R just to go and get some food.
Whistling helmet! Get your whistling helmet here! Cheers, cheers, cheers. Good. Lots of rain happening right now. Really, really lots of rain. This is fun for me. Oh no, I only had 3 minutes to react to that car not pulling out on me. I've just got this road to myself and it is awesome. Rain, glorious rain. I'm getting a wet anus. Gentle acceleration. That's super joking. Oh, hello. I was in 2nd, not 3rd. That came up much faster than I was expecting. God, that is such a sexy bike.
Instead of being a massive cocktail, shall I just show you what I bought and then I'll explain why I bought it afterwards? Yeah, you better. 1990 Suzuki Carry K-Truck. And it's tiny.
That looks so cool. Oh, that is a great shot. What a bit of road! I just saw you go sideways! No sheep, no sheep!
Stop!
No sheep, you stupid things! How many did we get?
6.
That's it.
We've been out. Now.
And we got 6. Oh my god! Jesus, that picks up! Right, so that you're going to be solely watching me on that camera for no reason whatsoever. Bloody Nora, this thing's quick! Little bit of air! Take him up the inside. Time to ride like a cock.
There's that sign. Blurry speedo time. Reg. You're such a commoner. Reg.
Oh, what a road, man!
Just gonna do a something to know. Oh, what a road, man!
Mark squirted all over us. We're in the group.
Cheers, Mark. Thanks for squirting on my face.
No, I love a pair of little Austrian twins. Probably should remove the word little out of that because that makes it sound like a mark.
Pedophile alert.
Oh, you weren't saying blur your speedo, you were saying blur the pedo, right, God.
Hey, that's it.
There's just going to have a whole section where just Mark's bike's completely blurred out.
Good action, that, Sam.
Thanks, mate. Many years of practice.
Yeah. I'm mildly moist if anyone's interested.
Oh, yeah. Nice to meet you, Mildly Moist. I'm Sam.
It's like a baby's arm holding an apple right now.
Oh, thank you for coming out, guys, today. I really appreciate it. It was a really nice day.
Absolutely,
Yeah,
my pleasure. Yeah,
Thank you for having us. It's been great.
The pleasure's all yours.
Yeah.
What sort of manoeuvre was that, Paul? It was the fuck me, I almost dropped it manoeuvre, you cunt.
Oh, I really like that one.
Oh, man, that was awesome. 3 fingers is better.
Oh.
Caveman Sam. What?
So currently, everyone, we're in the middle of nowhere, but it's in the Strata, Florida.
I want fucking tarmac. I've only got 2 bars of fuel, by the way.
Yeah, there you go. Good.
Come on, baby.
Fucking tarmac!
Like legit tarmac.
Actual legit tarmac. We're back on the road that I said we were going to be on. Jesus, fuck me in the hole and call me Sandra.
So I bought a winch.
Who said you don't need a winch? Look at that.
Yeah, that definitely went over my airbox. Jesus Christ, mate. I'm gonna die!
Oh my god, that was deep!
I'm wet. I am wet.
Oh. Come on, girl! Yeah! Go on! Because that is going directly into the rain.
Into the rain, my favourite place to go.
The rain has slowly moved away.
I can see clearly now the rain has gone.
Oh, baby burger!
Oh, it's a lamb.
Sitting on my tank. Jesus!
Yeah, that was me. Very, very close to coming off.
Oh my god, that was deep! Fuck me! That was
off.
really...
I'm off.
Oh, you're off! You're right.
Yeah, foot stuck.
And I've just picked up my new toy, the Citroen DS. No, I'm joking. 1995 Ducati 916 Biposto with a beard hair on it. Bloody Nora! That's got some go! People in the 90s had their gentleman's sausages crushed quite a lot. Ow, penis. Woohoo! Welcome everybody to my Ducati. Ollie, look, they've left your Africa Twin here, mate. Look, 2 of them as well. Pretty mad. My camera's on. Ah, stupid English people. You're such a pro YouTuber, it actually hurts.
I'll give you something that does hurt in a minute.
God, it really drops in temperature, doesn't it?
Yeah, my nipples have gone cold.
Oh, another set of France videos where Joe talks about how cold his nipples are. Do you want me to get a photo of you two on the bike together?
Do you want to get a photo of whatever you want to get, and then we'll do that?
Yeah, get your cock out.
Did you like that bit of road by any chance?
Little bit.
Just
Just a
a
little bit.
touch.
Oh, pink veils, why not? 2024.
It's the woman's world we live in nowadays.
A woman with testicles.
I need to get my fingers back.
Where'd you leave?
No, where'd you put 'em?
I'm so glad that you two have each other to find funny.
Oh, I love this bike so much. Down to Padstow and get some fish and chippies. And I'm knackered and I'm cold. Thanks for riding 500 miles just to see me. 600 miles just to see me. Bye, Tom. Hello. I can hear that rattling here. Oh. Hello, Matt. How you doing?
What a beast. Mickey V tucking into some chips over there. We've got John's down there somewhere. Oh, that's really close to my face. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week's video.
Do you want to do the thing? YMCA? Do you want to do the thing where you just like spam it and go, don't hit it too hard? Are you waiting until I say bye?
Oh, okay.
Thanks for joining. See you next week's video. Bye. Look at that.
I feel pro.